Okay, so we're all done with the back deck after replacing all the rotten wood underneath the deck, jacking the deck back up, refastening it, got all the new trim pieces back in. I was just going to do the first 3 rows of shingles, but the roofer brought a bunch of extra shingles for us. So there were some cracked ones going up higher, so I thought it would be nice to just utilize those shingles and clean it up a little better. Same thing here. This was all rotten fascia boards. I had to rip them out so that we can get to the wood behind them, which was also rotten. But as you can see, the deck's nice and level now. Everything's solid. Everything's flashed with metal flashing, so there's no water getting in. And we have our new door jamb going around. The painters will come in and fill all the little nail holes and caulk before they finish painting. They've been working on all the other stuff while I was finishing this, so they'll start on this tomorrow probably. And I don't know if you've seen much of the landscaping, but got a little bit more to do, but it looks 100 times better. Anyway, just thought I'd give you guys an update. Talk to you later.